like, yeah.
Alright, I'm recording. Alright, so guys, so Little Tim and me, we're hunting the ghost spider.
And apparently we're in the code Spider666.
Yup.
And apparently he's a spider. Apparently, and he could like, and he's color code is 000. I don't know.
Plain
why.
black monkey that can stick through ceilings, right?
Yeah, and he has to be like on 3rd floor now.
Yeah, he's supposed to be on 3rd floor.
Yeah, I'm going up there. Wait, but you know what they should do? They should fix the hole up there. Because, you know what? Because they...
Again.
Nah, bro, you guys want to subscribe to me?
Oh, no.
You got... Alright guys, so this dude knows me and...
Supper's ready, so I gotta go.
Yeah. Little Tim knows me from the YouTube channel, right?
I don't know you.
Shadow VR, yeah.
He knows me from the YouTube channel.
And if you guys want to subscribe to me, I don't even know how to record this. Let's just record for fun.
Yep, we're just recording for fun. So guys, as you know, I make Gorilla Tag YouTube shorts.
Wait, for real? I thought
Yeah,
you made
Gorilla
videos.
Tag Ghosts shorts about them.
Have you ever experienced this, Big 9?
I'll do that later when this VR headset
Same.
shut off.
Yeah, but if you want to subscribe to me, my YouTube channel is my YouTube channel name is Gabriel Garcia 4779. And the thing is, it's just gonna be like with a bunch of music videos. My thing is gonna be like a little geometry dash, and my profile is gonna be like this geometry dash game logo, and it's gonna, and the name is just gonna be like Geometry Boy, and yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of information.
So, you want to be friends? Should we add you?
Yeah, sure. But we'll do that in a bit.
Alright.
Let's go check on the leaderboard, actually.
Yeah, sure. Let's go. You know, I'm actually a ghost hunter.
Oh, no way. I'm true. I don't really ghost hunt a lot because I'm always at my grandma's house and I don't really get out of my headset too much.
Alright, let's go. Be friends, right?
Yeah.
Down here, right? Wait,
Yeah,
down
it's
here.
right here.
Right here.
That's actually, bro, that's actually so cool.
Bro, I can't believe you noticed me from the channel.
I know. There you are.
Up there you are.
That's what. This is what I feel, and I also have another YouTuber name, bro. I have like 2, bro.
Oh, hold up real quick.
I don't
I already did.
But it's Mr. Monkey Nerd.
Alright.
But I would know why.
Wait,
I
what's
don't
going
even
on?
think there's nothing in here. 3
Yep.
people. 3 people.
Wait. Who is that?
Wait.
Wait. Go to city. Who is that?
Wait. Oh no, it's just Gorilla. It's a name called Gorilla.
Oh.
But
It was
Spider.
I thought it was spider something because it was a plain black monkey.
I know.
Someone joins.
Too. Oh my god. Yo.
Whoa.
Why'd you do that?
Bro, why'd you scream like that, bro?
Yeah, why'd you scream like that? Nothing's weird actually. Damn.
But where's Gorilla at? But where is he though?
What the heck?
What the heck?
It's yellow.
It's clouds. Wait, clouds.
Yo, why are they yellow right now, bro?
Right?
Yeah,
Guys, where's Gorilla?
Why?
Wait, guys, where's Gorilla?
Let's go down.
Guys, where is he though? Let's just go down right now. Guys, should we try to find Gorilla? Should we try to find him?
This is white.
Should we try to find Gorilla?
I don't even. This is yellow. What the?
Guys, should we try to find Gorilla?
Go up. Guys, we should all be blue. We should all be blue. Guys, we should all be blue. Good idea.
Little tip?
I've been blue. Everybody change your color code to 009.
Yeah, that's my color. Wait, do you guys know me? Wait, that's him.
I'm just gonna change my color code to like.
So this is what Spider looked like when she was climbing, okay? She looked like this. Pretend I stick to the walls, okay? So she went like this, and then she started like.
Wait, where's Little
climbing
Tim?
backwards.
Wait, where's Little Tim?
Little Tim?
Where's he?
Here's all of them.
Guys, I'm the angry
Wait, where did he
bird
go,
expert,
though?
Guys,
Huh?
yo, I just saw like another person join. It was like a black color code. And it's
What?
Gorilla.
What the?
Oh, I saw someone on the leaderboard.
Whoa, what's going on?
Yo,
Someone
what?
was on the leaderboard. Yo, what?
What do you mean?
Yo,
What do you mean, though?
Yo,
Bro,
yo,
stop
Wait, where's
scaring
Little-
us!
No, I
Little
don't
Tim
know
is
if
still
you guys see
here,
this.
but where is he?
No,
Little Tim is still
no,
here.
I don't know.
Wait,
if
where
you
is he,
see
though?
this. Where's
No,
Little
here.
Tim?
And where's Gorilla?
No,
Wait, where is he?
Yeah, where's Little Tim and Gorilla? What the?
Wait, where's Gorilla, guys? Should we go look for them?
I don't know if you see this.
Should we go look for them?
I don't know if you see this? But right here it says emulator.
Wait, guys, we gotta go
and
find
you have
Little
the gray
Tim.
color code.
Yeah,
We gotta go find Little
I'm
Tim.
gonna go look for them. Guys, let's go. Yo, where are you?
Where are you, Little Tim?
Here.
Tim.
Wait, I think I kind of heard him from acting up.
What?
Bro, where
Little Tim, where are you?
I'm right here. My viewer's
Where-
acting up and I'm lagging a little bit.
Bro, over here.
But where's Gorilla? Guys, where's Gorilla, though?
Where's Gorilla though?
Guys,
Wait,
this
so
is
we
actually
check
serious.
canyons or mines. Let's
Guys,
forget it.
Let's
this
just
is
try to check
actually
canyons.
serious.
Yeah, let's check canyons.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Check canyons.
Guys, can't believe we're all
Guys, this
blue
is
right now.
Actually serious.
It's just
He's still
Gorilla.
here. He's still here, but where is he?
Guys, this is actually serious. I saw someone on the leaderboard named Emulator.
he? Bro,
Yeah,
where
it's
is
like
he?
a gray color. Yo, he's right there on the leaderboard. It says Emulator.
Emulator?
Yeah, it says Emulator, like EMULATOR.
But guys, are we still gonna find Gorilla? But where could he be found?
Okay, nowhere we're checking mines. None of us went to mines.
Okay, I'll go to
No,
mine.
you know.
Let's should we check mines?
I
Should we
heard
check mines?
footsteps from over here. I heard footsteps from in. I just. Yo, nah.
Bro, you're scaring me so much, bro. You're scaring me so much. You're scaring me, bro.
Then he disappeared.
Bro, you're just scaring me. Bro, you're scaring me.
So, he was, guys, he was T-posing. He was T-posing.
Does he look? He looks like statue though. That's why he's T-posing.
Yes.
That means he's statue.
He was T-posing like this.
Statue.
Guys, should we go check?
I'm going to mine.
Guys,
Once he wants me to
me,
We're not going
me, Lil Tim.
Actually,
I'll
sure,
go.
guys.
We're just gonna risk our lives.
Scary.
Let's just risk our
You
lives.
guys have me, bro. I'm a boy, bro.
Ow, shoot. OG Caves.
Guys, OG Caves.
Alright, let's just try. Let's try OG Caves. Cause I think we haven't found him down here yet.
Bro.
Is he still here?
This is the
He's still here.
girl is still here.
He's still here.
Craziest moment, bro.
Bro,
We're going.
bro, in stop, he was T-posing
Yo.
next to, like, in front of the thing. Bro.
We're checking.
Oh, this is
checking
actually
mine.
scary. Oh, this is actually scary.
Nah, bro, it's not scary.
Low-key scary.
Bro, it's so dark.
Bro, you guys have me.
This is scary.
It's just dark. It's just dark because it's so scary. It's just dark.
Bro, Gorilla's infected. Gorilla's a ghost.
Yeah, I think he should be a ghost.
Right here.
We're going into
Oh no.
Gorilla game. Bro, this is scary. Wait.
Okay, this is actually scary.
And Gorilla's still here.
He's still here, but where is he?
Gorilla's still.
Where is he?
No,
We should do this.
as soon as we saw him, as soon as I saw him, he just disappeared.
Guys, we should
He was
Hold on, let me turn off my volume so it won't be loud. I just need to turn off my volume.
Let's just start again.
How do you start?
I need to keep
Yo.
This is
Alright.
gonna be scary.
Oh, this is actually.
Bro.
All right, we can use these lamps. Yo, what's going on? What's going on?
I just saw him over there.
No, you didn't.
I
Stop
heard a
trolling
glitch.
us.
Yo, what's going on?
I heard a glitch sound.
Yo, what is going on, guys?
Yo, I heard a glitch sound. I heard a glitch sound or something.
Who wants one of these?
Did you hear that?
Please.
I just need a baton.
I need one. I need one.
Okay, baton.
Bro, I need a saber. Yeah, I want that.
Should we go back? Should we go back?
Guys, someone's here. Somebody's here. Guys, someone was here.
Yo, bro.
He's here.
Bro, there's a ghost. There's a ghost in the code.
Yo, there's a ghost in the code. Dude, it's a plain black monkey named Gorilla. Plain black monkey.
Close it now. Close it right now. No, get it. No. Tell me where you saw the ghost.
Guys, is Gorilla still here? Guys, is he still here?
Come on.
I can't tell.
It's still here. It's Gorilla. Bro, this is scary.
Little Tim, I'm actually terrified.
Okay, wait. Everyone listen up. All right.
Oh my God, he's still here.
Wait, I really want that.
Bro.
Somebody take
Tell me y'all heard that.
Was it like a scream?
Yes, I heard screaming.
Yo.
I feel like there's a ghost in here.
Yep, I think there's a ghost in here. I'm actually pretty terrified.
Where is he?
I'm actually terrified.
Scary as heck.
Gorilla.
Oh my.
Not wherever you are.
All right, bro. All right, Gorilla, show yourself. You're not scary.
This is actually scary.
This is actually scary.
Show yourself. Show yourself, Mr. Monkey.
Show yourself, bro.
One of us is gonna get banned.
Bro, if one of us get banned, I'm actually terrified.
Oh, Gorilla, show
Or if it's
yourself.
real.
Show yourself, bro.
Scary. You have no.
He don't try to be a scaredy cat.
You are no ghost. You're recording to here.
He's still here.
Still here. Why is he still here?
But where is he? Where can we find him?
I don't know.
Guys, we're cooked.
Oh,
We're cooked.
oh no.
I hear that. Oh my god.
Hell no.
Yo, it's a PvP noise. What the heck?
We're cooked.
Yo, we're cooked right now. Yo, we're cooked.
Wait, guys. What if it's bees?
Yo, I can hear him.
It's bees.
I can hear him in the walls.
Shut up.
I can hear him.
Guys, what if it's bees? Guys, what if it's bees? You know the ghost that...
Where's that coming from?
Name into gorilla?
Where's that coming from?
Bees. What if it's bees, bro?
Guys.
He's a kid.
Yo, guys, I can hear him.
It's in caves. It's up here. Guys, wait for me. Guys. No. Don't go without me. No. This is low-key kind of scary.
Yo, this is so scary.
Where is he?
But where is he? I just heard him through walls.
Guys, this is the scariest moment.
Yo, this is the scariest moment right now. I'm recording everything.
A ghost in the code.
I'm recording everything.
No, guys, this is scary.
There's a black
This is low-key scary.
There's a black monkey in the code. Wait, let me check color code. Guys, I think it's feeding off like perfect. I think it's feeding.
Where is he?
Here. It's scary.
Yo, where is he? But where is he?
We're not scared, bro. Guys, this is scary.
Wait, why is my
Okay, this is scarier than PvP. I think this is scarier than
We're not
PvP.
scared of you. You ghost.
He's still here.
Where is he?
He's still here.
Guys, everyone, let's check every map.
Guys, should we go check every map?
Let's go to hoverboards.
Let's go to hoverboard map.
Check beach. Actually, I don't know if it could be there. Bro,
Let's just try. Let's just check hoverboard map.
Well,
Yeah, I actually like couple
guys, I just saw him really
go
go
and
and saw him behind me.
Guys, he was like T-posing and flying. Stop the cap. Stop the cap.
I'm not counting.
All right, guys.
I'm not counting.
Whee!
Oh,
on?
It was Paul. Guys, it was Paul.
But then he disappeared.
It was Paul. It was Paul.
No.
It was Paul.
No, this is scary.
It was
Bro, where did you even see him? Now, where'd you...
Bro.
Now, where'd you even see him, bro?
Grab a
Everybody get a hoverboard. Get a hoverboard. Yo, what Max is on? Go quick. Yo,
Guys, let's go to beach. He could be in beach.
Never mind.
He could be in... I... Oh, my God! Ah! What the heck? I got... Ah! Ah!
is he in there?
Oh my God! His head just popped up there! Bro! His head just popped up there! His head just popped up! Bro! His head just popped up there, bro! Oh my God!
Yo, what's real? Yo, what?
Yo, his head just popped up, bro! Bro, his head just popped up!
Yo, I saw the ghost too.
I just saw the ghost, he just popped out his head, right there!
Bro.
He just popped out of his head!
He's watching. God, he's alpha. He could be in here. I'm just kidding, guys.
Are we cooked?
What?
What?
What? Are we dead?
Let's just go back.
Are we dead?
Oh my God! What the heck?
I just saw him right there.
What the heck? Oh, that's actually terrified.
Okay, this
That's actually terrifying. He's still here. Guys, look, he's still here. That's actually terrifying. What did you see?
You're boring.
What did you
You
see?
even kick. You can't even kick. All you do is T-pose.
Oh, I'm having a heart attack right now.
And play
I'm having a heart attack.
You're not even real. You can't even freeze, kid.
You guys heard that?
Lag me. Wait, why did I do anything?
Well, that's just
You're stupid.
monkey. Let me see if I can stop. Why did I just see him at
Bro.
tutorial?
You did not.
I just saw him at tutorial. But then he disappeared.
Oh,
Bro.
I think I saw him for a little bit.
He's scary.
I think I saw him for a little bit.
Yeah, this is scary. No.
Is it the tallest tree?
Yo,
Guys.
this is my first ghost encounter. My first ghost encounter.
Yeah, me too. My first ghost encounter.
Guys, go check. He could be there. He could be in stump.
Guys?
Are you sure?
I just saw him in canyons. I just saw him in
Go
canyons.
check.
Go check. Just go check. It doesn't matter. Just go check.
Nah, we're checking.
Everybody go to canyons. Everybody go to canyons.
Wait a moment.
If you see him, I'm freaking out. If you see him right now.
Bro.
Yo, there's someone in the lobby. It's like a orange color. It's an orange color. Where's Gorilla at? I can't see where he is, bro. Wait, where is he? Yo, wait. Wait, there's a ghost in here. There's a ghost in here named Gorilla. Oh my God! Oh my God! He was just behind you! He was just behind you, bro! He was just, oh my God, above you! Yo, he was above you, Milton! He was above you!
Is it scary?
Ah! What was that? Yo, this is actually terrified!
Yo.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Oh my God! I see him, guys! I see him! Guys, what the heck? Nah, bro!
Can you like
Guys, should we get out of here? Should we get out of canyons?
Yeah, I'm recording this guy. I cannot just No, I'm recording.
He left! Guys, he left! Guys, he left! We won!
auto leave? Yes, auto
Guys,
leave.
we won!
He's just a
Whee! Guys, I guess we won!
That was scary.
Guys, you. Wait, who reported him?
I did.
I think, guys, he left because he just got kicked. He just got kicked. Yo, he just got kicked.
Right there. Guys, I'm going to see the next ghost.
Guys, you guys kicked him. You kicked him.
Guys, next ghost.
Should we go to our next ghost?
Next ghost.
But Shadow VR.
Huh?
What code do you want to go to next?
Mirror Man?
Don't leave. No, PvP on the leaderboard.
I just saw his color code. No, I'm not joking. I saw his color code.
666. Fire. Just
Guys, should we join the code Mirror Man? Mirror Man?
Yeah, good idea.
Oh, bet.
Mirror Man.
Man.
So it's called
Wait, after this, if there's no mirror man, we just put in mirror.
Guys, you guys are blocking me.
Well, how do you spell mirror?
M-I-R-R-E, right there.
Why do I
Do you guys have Mirror Man?
But
You guys have Mirror Man?
got it.
Alright, I'll see you guys there.
Yeah, I got it.
I'll see you guys there at Mirror Man. Alright, I'm recording.
A little bit more popular again, because that's my content.
Wait, guys, where's ISEEYOU? Like, where's the black monkey?
I don't know, we told him to go to...
Yeah, we told him to meet us at forest, and then he never came, and now he just made a very creepy sound. We should go back to Monkey Blocks and check on him, honestly.
Maybe he's in city, maybe he's stuck on something.
Yeah, he doesn't have a mic. Oh yeah, he doesn't.
Where is he?
I see you, where are you? I see you.
ISEEYOU, where are you? You're not gonna scare me.
I see you, where are you?
He's probably trying to scare
It's
me.
like you're saying, I see you. Like, I see you. Like, I
He's a
see you.
ghost. He's a ghost, so he's not showing himself, so he can still see us.
No, he's fake.
Wait, where's he?
I know.
Where'd he go?
I don't know, he could be... Let me check up there.
No, I don't know.
Let me see if this glitch still works. I don't
want to go to caves, but I really don't want to go to. Oh, yeah, it still works. It's not hacked.
Well, what the heck? It's up there.
We're fake, right?
Bro, what the heck is up here?
Oh, it's another map.
Another map? Bro, my game is laggy.
Honestly, I really like Monkey Blocks.
What the heck?
We need to find I see you.
Wait up for me, guys. Wait up. Guys, should we
I'll
go to
go,
caves? Should we go to caves?
Yo, do you know Leprechaun VR?
Huh?
That's him. That's Leprechaun VR.
I have a swing.
Have you seen him on like TikTok and YouTube? Let me see
No.
the green. Because that's like
I haven't seen him.
green, my color.
I haven't seen him.
Yeah,
Wait, guys, should we go look for
videos.
ISEEYOU? Like, I think he should be somewhere.
Yeah.
So he's not here right now.
Yeah,
Should we go
let's
check
go.
another map? Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Here he is.
Oh! That gave me a heart attack. I did not see that.
Hey, come on. Come on, bro. Come on.
Alright,
I see you. Come on.
Alright. Bro, that gave me a heart
20 minutes,
attack.
bro. I see you.
Bro, that gave me a heart attack.
I know, right?
Run, run, bro, run, bro, run, quickly. Stop, I'm lagging. Run quickly. You should hide somewhere. Come on, please. We should go hide somewhere, bro. Hide somewhere.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Let's go hide somewhere, bro. Hide somewhere.
He's asking for help. I'm going to help him. That's so weird. That reminds me of something.
Somebody help me!
I was in a
Somebody
car
help
with these
me.
two people. They're unfrozen. I was in a car with these two people, and this dude tried to troll. I'm hurt. Let me use one arm. He's coming. Hide. They're in basement.
Oh no, 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 no. I'm done. I'm done for. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That gave me a heart attack. He was so close to me. He was so close. He was so close to me. Oh my God. That was. He was so close to me.
Go up.
Bro, Ghost Hunter, you was so close to me. I did not see that.
I think he's coming out of the basement. Oh, he's right there.
Oh no. Oh, I'm actually scared. I did not see. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! He's so goofy! I can't tell, bro! I can't tell if he's close! Go to mountains! I can go to mountains! Go to mountains! Go to mountains! Crap.
Guys, he's a random guy. Oh, it's left. He got kicked. He kicked me. He's a modder. He kicked me. Oh my god. He's actually a modder. Oh, Joe! Oh, my hand. He kicked me. Oh. Oh, my hand.
Let's get a camera on me.
Oh, my shit, you. No. Over here. Oh, dude, he's not a ghost. Oh, shoot. How do you know my train?
Wait, where's ISEEYOU? I can't tell.
He's in forest. You good? Good eye. My hand's throbbing. My hand's throbbing. My right hand's throbbing.
Is he okay, bro? Oh, he's coming after me?
You good?
He's looking at me. He's literally staring at me, bro. Is he okay? Alright, bro. Bro. So, hello, guys. We're hunting the code behind you. I think he's like here right now. Like, so yeah. I just saw a blood red monkey. So me and my friend are hiding. Oh no, I'm actually scared. Ah! Nope, no, I'm out. No, go, go. Get out. Get out. I'm out. Oh no, I'm out. Nope. He's turning the other way. Help. Somebody else. He's right behind me.
Where are you guys?
No, I'm done. Nope. He's right behind me, isn't he? Nope, he's right there. I'm in cage right now, bro. I need help. OG Caves. I'm being chased. Help. I'm being chased by behind you. No, somebody help! Someone help! Oh my god, I'm being chased! So hey guys, we're hunting like something. Guys, I think there's a ghost in here.
Being a pirate is always. Don't you get it because a pirate is
Hello? Guys, see right there, that little boy named Bob. He could be here somewhere. I'm just gonna check. Huh. Oh. Where the heck is he?
We're on holidays.
Guys, I don't think he's here.
Something's wrong with Matthew.
I think you're right.
It's in the mirror, right? He's standing for the
Guys, I don't think he's in here. Should we check?
Yellow with the
Check another map.
But that was not Yeah, that was. He is
I
here.
hear something.
You heard that? You heard that?
What?
Yeah, I'm hearing it. as
J3VU. That's J3VU sound.
well. I heard it coming from over that way.
What?
Bro, I heard it.
Oh my.
For a split second. Heard it for a split second.
Let's go in here. It was over this
We're not
way.
waiting for bots. I think I hear it right here, I think. What? I know waiting for bots if I will get bit.
Worst case scenario, one of us gets jumped.
Wait, there's 5 people. Where is everybody?
We're in mountains. Oh.
I'm not tagging him. I'm not tagging him.
I'm not taking.
No, why is he coming up to me?
Coming.
Wait, what's he doing?
I don't know why are you letting me
Guys,
go.
there's a ghost in here. Wait, he's going to the
Is
leaderboard.
it red? It's just bots.
Yo,
Don't
yo,
look for me.
no, he's pointing at you, bro.
You're just.
Oh my god.
Get away. I'm sorry.
Where's he going?
I don't know. Anywhere
He's
but
in mountains. He's coming out of mountains. Dude, he pointed out my name to talk to me. Dude, I'm scared.
Wait, where's he going? Guys, where's he going? Guys, where's he
I don't
going?
know. Yo, where are you going?
He's in mountains, right?
Yeah.
What's the city?
He's in the city right now, bro. That's him, bro.
Oh, frick.
Dude, Jojo. I'm sorry.
He's going somewhere.
Ban me.
I think he's going to forest
Dude,
or canyons.
dude, tripod. Tripod. A minute ago, he looked at my
Oh
name
my
on the
god.
whiteboard and went. And I'm like, yo, what that mean?
What the?
Oh no, don't go there.
Oh, he's going in there. He's going in there.
How hostile.
It's a moderator.
How hostile.
Where is he going?
Is it moderator or is it moderator?
He's going to OG Caves, I think. Yep, I think. Yep, he's going to OG Caves. Okay, this is actually scary.
How hostile is he?
I don't know. He's just a bot.
Why are we?
Where's he going?
I don't want to get banned.
Where the heck? Bro, he's perfectly walking, bro. He's perfectly walking like that. He's a bot. He's walking like that. That means he's real.
Yo, ban me.
No, let's pray they don't ban us, bro.
Where's he going?
I'm like
He's going in there.
99% sure this is real. What? Hold on. You know what we need to see? If he goes like,
Yo, guys, I think he stopped right there. Oh. No way he's walking like that. This is real bot. This is a real bot.
No, bro. Why is he going to the?
has he teleported?
Wait, where's he going?
Yo,
Has he teleported the entire time?
yo, come here. Fight me.
Blue.
What's he gonna do?
Blue.
Fight me.
Has he teleported?
I don't know. Wait, what's going on?
Everybody.
Oh, I think he's coming up to you, bro. He's going up. Oh, never mind. Wait, where's he going?
Okay, I don't think it's real.
I know where he's going to.
Bots don't go like.
That's where he's going. I know he's going.
Trap me.
This dude looks real to me. He looks real.
I shivered in me timbers.
No, I don't think he's real.
He looked to me he's real because he walks perfectly, bro. He walks perfectly.
Yo, you want me? Yeah, come on.
I don't think he's real.
Yeah, but how does he walk perfectly, bro?
Until he kicks or teleports or something like that. I'm not buying it. At all.
They don't do that.
Oh, he's going somewhere.
He literally just had a struggle to get up.
Oh my
God.
He's fake. Yeah.
I'm looking
I think it's real.
Okay, now we're gonna get banned. Look, like, you were here, but
Maybe you made him hostile. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yo, report this guy.
No.
Okay, that was mine. No.
Brother, you're pointing at your own name.
Bro, I'm reporting him. Report him.
Give me your blue.
He's mean.
Alright.
Hey, he's going somewhere. He's going somewhere.
No, this is not real.
Yeah, but you're fighting the judge. He's literally it right now.
This is
Oh my god, guys. You guys are blocking me.
Yo, so cute. Just letting you know, you ugly. He's actually you ugly. He's actually not moderator. He's a boss.
Oh.
Oh my god, he looked at me again.
Oh my god, you made him hostile now.
Get out.
Stop him and be kicked, guys. He made me kick, guys.
He's leaving.
Holy crap, let me out.
Oh my god. He's going up.
Oh my god.
Y'all, he just struggled. Are we being so for real right now?
Yo, I'm about to struggle.
Are we being so for real?
This dude looks so real to me, bro.
Oh, he just lagged.
Oh my god.
He does have a good walk, but he needs to work on climbing.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Is he walking down, bro?
Hello, we have a baker right here.
Guys, he's going down.
Oh, Frank, he's playing Run Rabbit.
Attack you! Attack you! Attack you! Attack you! Yo, where you going?
He's going up to the leaderboard.
Yo, get up there! Get up!
If he bans me, I'm...
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Stop going near my name! Yo, get out! No! No!
No. He bans you?
Wait, what's he doing?
I got the last. Yo, that was the last person, so obviously I was gonna get that.
Yo, I
Yo.
think this is just somebody with a good soundboard and acting.
I think this dude looks so real. He looks real to me, bro.
Bro, he
Some good
like,
acting as well.
I think he like,
No,
he
I'm
had
1,000,000% fake. I'm 100%
Say some good
He
acting.
done that to
Maroon.
my name, my brother.
You told brother do
What?
This guy's probably fake.
What
I'm
the?
just scared.
You think you should make a run for it?
Go away. Go away. Bryce, walk away.
Alright,
Go, go, go.
run for us. Where's he gonna chase?
Bro,
Run for the city, bro.
I'm so scared.
Come to city, bro. Come to city. Just run. Just run. Run, bro. Run. Go, 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 go. Head for the ring. Head for the ring map. Head for the ring map. Head for the ring map. Hurry up. Over here. Quickly. Okay. I'm actually scared. Run! Run, bro! Go, go! Go quickly, bro! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Run to go! Run to go! Go, 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 go! Run to go! Run! Run! Go, go! Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Alright, I'll just wait for him. I'm gonna wait for him. Come on, bro. Join. I'll be waiting. Hello? Oh, wait, bro. Okay, that was so scary. That was so scary. Should we do the next ghost? Let me stop recording real quick.
I'm not scared to you.
What the heck? Oh, okay, that actually scared me. That actually scared me so hard. Oh, shoot, why did he just teleported? He just teleported. Alright. Wait a minute. Disappear. Strange.
I don't like it. It's true. Well, I mean,
What?
yeah, imagine
What is this ghost?
That's not even
What is this ghost?
And you're wasting spot to be had. You can't even
Guys,
get up from that hole. You
look at right there. What is Stalker? What is this? What is What's this?
Now look, fake fizzy.
Okay, no. Nope. Okay. What the heck? Did he just teleported? Did he just What the heck? Did he just teleport? Bro, I think he teleported.
Why is it not saying my username?
Whee!
I'm going to put on a username because some reason it's not working.
Oh, what the heck? Oh my god, yeah, he's actually real. Oh shit, he's right there. I saw him, bro. Okay, wait, look. Hello? Whoa! Oh shoot! Jeez, that scared me. No. Can he actually catch up? No. He's actually chasing me. He's actually stalking me. Okay, wait, what if I do to summon him? Is I say this. Stalker.
Mate, I will do your head in.
Hold on.
Oh, he's right there. Oh, whoa, what is wrong with my arms? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. He's right there. Why is he right there? No.
Why is it we man?
Oh no! He's actually stalking me. Alright, bro. Oh shoot, he's right there. Stalker.
Mate, I will do your head in.
Hold on.
Oh, stock. Stalker. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. Oh, whoa, what is wrong with my arms? Oh shoot, he's right there. Why is he right there? Oh shoot, he's right there. Why is he right there? No.
Why is it we man?
Oh no. He's actually stalking me. Alright, bro. Oh, shoot, he's right there. He's right there. He's...
Scotland, that's forever, by the way.
Oh my god, that scared me so bad. He teleported. Bro, he just teleported. Oh no. Ow. Bro, why am I glitching? Why am I glitching? Dude, my game is actually glitching. Oh, shoot. Ah, bro. Alright, why are you? How, bro?
Guys, see you tomorrow.
I think I lost him. Guys, I think I lost him. Oh, look at that.